If you're using FreeCAD 1.1 and above, you can make the start page a bit more useful. This includes adding folders so you can quickly access your favorite projects and resource files, as well as enabling a thumbnail preview of your FreeCAD projects so they can be displayed clearly and are easier to find. In addition, we'll enable preview for common 3D file formats such as STEP, FreeMF and STL, making your start page a much more practical project hub. Before we begin, if you don't see the start page, you may have previously checked the checkbox in the bottom right hand corner to not show the start page on startup. So you will see something like this. If you do, we can enable the startup page by coming out to the help and coming down to the start page. From there, we can uncheck the button. You may have tried to find this in the preferences, but it lives in a different place. First, let's look how to enable the folder support, which is available from version 1.1 onwards. We can see I've got a section here. Now, if I hover over these items, we can see they're from different places. To enable this, we come out to Edit, Preferences, we're looking for Start, and within we have to show additional folder contents. And here we can supply a single folder or multiple folders separated by the double semicolon. And if we hover over, this gives us some instruction of what we need to do. If you're loading resources as well, then make sure the show only FreeCAD files in additional folders is unchecked. After adding your folders, remember to restart FreeCAD. The next thing we may want to enable is to see thumbnails of our projects. So we have a thumbnail of our project here, and these are STEP and FreeMF resource files, and we'll show how to enable the thumbnails for these as well. For the project files, we go back to our preferences, and on General and Document, we have the option to add a thumbnail to the project file when saving. We check that, and any project files we save will have the preview of the current 3D view. Please note, if we change a project, and let's say our 3D view is down here somewhere, and if I save that, the next time we open, our preview will be that of the last view when we saved. So make sure that we either hit the home key or select the body and use the fit all. Therefore, when we save and we next enter FreeCAD, we can see the preview of the project in the right location. If you open the file, it will appear in the recent list as well. Now we can change the size of this recent list. Again, in Edit Preferences, on the General tab in the General section, we have the size of recent file list. We just increase or decrease that to our needs. Finally, let's look at how we get thumbnails to appear on STL, FreeMF files, and other 3D formats. This requires a third-party open source viewer called F3D, which is available for multiple operating systems. And here's the website to download it from. For this to work correctly, F3D has to be added to the system path. After installation, restart FreeCAD and you should see the thumbnail previews for those 3D files appear. And that's basically it. With folders and thumbnails enabled, your start page becomes a more visual way to manage your projects. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I hope to see you in the next one. If you like what you see and you want to donate to the channel, then you can do so via Ko-Fi or Ko-Fi at ko-fi.com/MANG0 or via PayPal at paypal.com/paypalme/DarrenBEstone. I also run a Patreon where you can get early access and additional content, and that's at patreon.com/MangoJellySolutions. Links can be found in the channel header, on the About page, or in the descriptions of these videos. I thank everybody that's donated so far. It really helps to keep the lights on so I can produce more content and also expand the channel. Thank you for liking, commenting and subscribing to these videos, and I hope to see you again in the next one.